guys, good morning. Okay, so I was gonna just do my makeup because it's really early. I don't really feel like talking, but you guys, I'm gonna try and make myself look like an Instagram baddie. We're gonna go from this to, I'll just insert a picture. Yeah, I wanna get a good pic for some thumbnails and just feel like my badass self once again. I'm not feeling like it this morning. Honestly, I'm coming off of a 24-hour hangover. So we're finally back in business. Gotta get some stuff done today. So yeah, I don't feel like talking, so this is gonna be a voiceover. So I will catch you guys later. Bye. What up, you guys? So I'm really amazed at what I can do with makeup, because girl, I was looking rough this morning. As I mentioned, like, I was off a 24-hour hangover and I woke up so early in the morning because you know when you're a little hungover, you just can't sleep. So I just went right to getting into my baddest self, I guess. Don't mind this foundation, way too dark. You know, quarantine, I haven't been able to go makeup shopping, so we are working with what we have. So I was doing a little mixing this morning. So yeah, you kind of see me playing around. But as far as transformation videos, do you guys like me talking through them, or do you just want to see like what products I'm using? I don't really know. I really don't like talking through the makeup or anything, more so the technique. And what I'm doing right here is I'm applying a lot of lotion to myself just to help that foundation blend into my body a little bit better, because I always find that I use way too much foundation on my body trying to blend everything and even out my skin tone. So adding a little bit of lotion helps kind of make it into a BB cream. Pro tip, not that I'm a pro, but it works for me. Anyways, how have you guys been doing during this quarantine? How have you guys been holding up? Man, I barely recognize myself most days. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, we gotta show up and show out every once in a while and transform into our baddest self. So now I'm going in with this luminous, it's like a gel. It's from LA Girl, just to help me get those J-Lo vibes. I haven't really been outside much. I mean, when it's nice, I go outside, but it's so dreary here all the time in the spring. I live in the Midwest, so it's still cold right now, unfortunately. But I am going to be out tanning all summer, because what else is there to do, honestly? But yep, going in with some more luminous stuff on my face. We added some super duper light concealer around the eyes, because if you want your face to look snatched and thin, you know, contour and highlight is life. So now I'm going to go in with this matte brown terracotta color. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a single eyeshadow, but I just had it, and I see all of those Insta baddies do just a single matte look on their eyes. Of course, they have like perfect eyelids and everything like that, so that's what I tried to do. They're very easy, and I thought it looked actually really cute, so that's what I ended up doing, just adding major highlight to my brow bone and then the corner of my eyes, and it was a look. It was super easy. I might start doing that in general. I was raised in the era of, you know, you do the whole shimmer on the eyelid and then you know, darker in the crease. That's kind of outdated, I think, now. Am I wrong? Am I right? I don't know. So now, you guys, I'm going in and attempting to do an eyeliner. Again, I'm coming off of a hangover. I'm very fragile at this point, so I'm just trying not to mess up that winged eyeliner. I haven't done winged eyeliner in the longest time, but again, Insty baddie. So going back and chiseling out those cheeks even more, because we're trying to look like we lost those 20 pounds we've gained since quarantine. Oh, Lord. And then, oh, this is a really pretty baked bronzer highlighter thing from Ulta. I recently picked it up. I thought it was really pretty, and it's giving me that J-Lo glowy look. And now I'm going in with this Fenty highlighter. If you have a pink undertone, definitely get your hands on this, because I know most highlighters are a very yellow toned, and this pinkish one is absolutely gorgeous. It's my favorite. I use it kind of also as a blush as well. And now for my favorite lip combo, you guys, don't judge. It's an eyebrow pencil. It gives you the best neutral brown and then a really light lipstick. Blend those two in with London by NYX. It's a liquid lipstick. And that is it, you guys. Get the bold brows, the eyelashes, the lip combo, and insty Baddie, right? So now I'm just brushing out my hair. You guys, I haven't brushed my hair in probably a month, I would say. So this was a challenge, so I skipped over a lot of it. So today I'm going to attempt to straighten out my hair a little bit. Honestly, I haven't straightened my hair for the longest time because it will not hold straight. My hair is naturally curly, and it just does not stay straight. So I parted it down the middle, and then I'm pretty much just straightening the front and a little bit of the ends, you guys. I tried to straighten the back as much as I could, but honestly, I don't care because no one's going to be seeing the back of my head. This is mainly for a few thumbnails and for a few videos I have to film. No one's going to be seeing the back of my head, so I did it really quickly. I just end up running my hair through a brush while I'm straightening it to make sure all of the strands don't get tangled up or anything like that. It's the quickest way to straighten my hair. All right, you guys. It's been so long since I felt kind of like a bad bitch, and she's here. So you guys, I hope you like this get ready with me. A little transformation. We got the lashes, we got the overlined lips, you know, the sleek hair. Insty Baddie. This is what I think of. Well, not me, but this kind of look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.